All right, are we rolling? Let's get it. I got a deep love for superheroes, DC Universe characters in specific. You know, growing up without a dad, of course, you look to other things, other people to fill those shoes, and the world of superheroes as a whole has definitely done that for me. Like, if it wasn't for Batman existing at all, I have no idea where I would be. Looking cool. That's something I always cared about as a kid. As a kid, I never really felt cool in the typical sense. Like, I wasn't on a sports team. I couldn't play an instrument to save my life. So I guess at the very least, I wanted to look cool. You know, something I guess I got from my mom and dad. It ain't the most expansive collection, but you know, I got a couple cool pieces, sneakers included. This Golf LaFleur polo I just picked up. My endless collection of Yeezy Season 5 is my favorite. This vintage Honda tee that took me 3 years to find. This vintage No Fear tee. I always loved the cool little sayings on the back of them. My Bread Ones, man. I never had these growing up, so to finally have a pair in my life is just crazy. These Dunks from '99 in my favorite color. We'll touch on that later. These shirts I made back in 2021 and 2022. My brother has a matching one in black. As a kid, I was always making stuff. I was always trying to find some sort of way to make something I didn't have or couldn't afford. And, you know, I haven't made a ton of stuff in the physical world, but you know, I try my absolute best to, you know, make the coolest stuff I can, you know. I was always drawing stuff too. That's probably where my creative mind started for me. It went from watching Spider-Man to drawing Spider-Man to watching Batman to drawing Batman and kind of sort of drawing up and trying to make not one, but 2 Iron Man suits. Yeah, that happened. As you know, I also got a thing for making stuff digitally. You know, I wasn't ever the best at it, but I always tried my hardest to, you know, get the vision I saw in my head out into the world, at least in some type of way. And it's still like that to this day. Logos for an old friend group I was in, logos for the beginning of my digital career, pictures I was taking of myself, pictures I was taking of myself, more pictures I was taking of myself. Yeah, as you could tell, I really wanted to look cool. Pictures I was taking of other people. I've just always had a passion for making things, and I just kept going. You know, a lot of people get hung up on inspiration, but for me, it's honestly been pretty easy because I just came to the realization that we're all just museums of everything we've ever seen and grown to love. And I think once you realize that and capitalize upon it, you'll never not be inspired, you know? My mom, Batman, Kanye West, Tyler the Creator, all the YouTubers I've watched over the last 17 years of my life, all the things I've seen on Instagram, life, man, it's life. That's what inspires me. This is my 2019 Mazda Miata. When I first told my barber I got a car, he kept calling it the Mignata, but yeah, it's just, it's crazy that I'm even doing this at all, because rewind the clock by almost exactly 11 years, and I was literally just customizing this car on Need for Speed, telling myself it was gonna be my first car. You know, it's just crazy how things pan out, right? You know, she ain't the prettiest, she ain't the fastest, she ain't the most decked out yet, but she's mine, and you know, that's something I always can appreciate. Now, to be honest, I only got this car because I couldn't get an FD-RX-7 or a S2000. It just happens. JDM cars in general have always been my jam. That's just what I grew up on. But I've definitely been able to appreciate more diverse cars from different regions. The E46 M3, the E92 M3, the F80 M3. I was into BMWs for a while. The Audi Sport Quattro, the Audi R8, McLaren 720S, various generations of 911 GT3. The original 2012 Aventador, specifically in white. You know, that was legit my version of how kids used to look at the Countach back in the day. And I was just so ambitious as a kid that I remember spending a whole day mapping out monthly payments for the Huracan when it first came out in 2014. Crazy, bro. I had to talk about this sooner or later. The color purple. Back in 2021, I had done this mock magazine shoot, and I had an old friend of mine ask me just random questions for filler, and one of them was, what was your favorite color? And my answer to that, and the reason why I try to use the color purple as much as I can, is because what colors make up the color purple? Red and blue. Red representing all the not so nice things about life, but also the fiery passion one can have. Blue representing the more positive aspects of life. And what do you get when you mix those two together? you get me as a color. You get the color purple. And that's why I try to use it in as many applications as I can. Like, it's to the point where I literally came up with my own paint color inspired off of Nissan's Millennium Jade, and I dubbed mine Cosmiku Amethyst. That's Cosmic Amethyst in Japanese. Oof, this one should be interesting. The whole space thing, man. For one, I've always loved astronomy, like just the study of stars as a whole, just something so captivating about it. Lemino's series of Space Facts was probably a big catalyst for that, but going even further, the main skin I used on Fortnite was Dark Voyager. And you know, my homies at the time gifted me the nickname Spaceboy Gibson because of that. But yeah, I really just think it's where I get all of my ideas from. Like, I always struggle to explain it, but I just feel a deep connection with the vastness and unknown nature of space itself. All of its complexities and ways we don't really understand it, and the amount of wonder there is out there about it. Like, it's just something about the looming stars above that gives me the spark of life. But that's how you get me, an enthusiast of things. I know this isn't the typical Gibson upload that you might be expecting, but I just wanted to do something fun for my birthday because it is my birthday, at least when you're seeing this.
Hello, YouTube. It's my birthday today. Yeah!
I've legit waited 7 years to use that clip, but go ahead and do all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your grandma, share with your dog, whoever, just share with somebody. Comment happy birthday, comment something nice so you can boost my ego. So yeah, that's it.